it's Regan here from Coral Sea Property Services. We're at the front of 11 Arkhurst Street in Bushland Beach doing a 360 walkthrough video. So walking through, you have a nice big 2-car garage just here. And we can walk through here, which brings us into the front hallway. Now this is that front door we have with a security screen, and immediately off the front hallway on the right hand side is this room here. And the blinds come all the way down to cover those windows fully. Walking through then down that hallway on the right hand side, we've got a bedroom here. And proceeding on through to a walk-through wardrobe and that ensuite bathroom. Now this is the right-hand side view of the property, the right-hand side fence. Now on the left-hand side of the hallway, that's the garage that we walked through before. And that door over there takes you down to the other side of the property. Walking down the hallway, you enter the kitchen living area. With a nice big pantry. And the kitchen itself with a detached island. Walking down the rear hallway now. On our right hand side we have another bedroom. Now this is now looking out over the back fence. Of course, wardrobe as well. Cupboards. Another bedroom here off the corner of the hallway. This is now the left-hand side fence if you're looking at the property from the street. More wardrobe space. Continuing down the corner of the hallway, we now have the laundry. The toilet. And the family bathroom with the bathtub. Finally, we have one final bedroom at the end of the property here. Again, the left-hand side if you're looking from the street. And it's got a slightly bigger wardrobe, this one as well. Now I'll return back through that rear hallway. Proceeding back to outside, we've got that patio. Down that way you've got lawn at the back of the property now. And to the side of the property. That's that laundry door I showed you. You've got your clothesline on the fence, hot water unit just here. And this door here would take you into the garage. That's the end of the 360 video tour at 11 Arkhurst Street in Bushland Beach.